saving time, saving money, and saving my efforts. So it's everything is good for me. I'm the general contractor of a company in Surrey, West Columbia. So we do all renovation, basements, and bathroom and kitchen renovation. So thanks AMG for doing good work for me. So I'm with you guys from last 2 weeks. So I saw all these results and I like your work and the way you do your work. So basically, most thing I like about this work is you saved my money because I tried doing ads by myself, and those ads was working, but I was spending more and getting less leads. Now all ads are running very good. I'm spending less and getting more leads. So basically, the another thing that I like, what do you call my client first? I don't need to call them. You book appointments for me. That saves my time and everything. So I have a less of efforts to do to get people's appointment. So saving time, saving money, and saving my efforts. So it's everything is good for me. I will recommend to people. If somebody need your help, I will definitely recommend you.